So this is not working. This is under construction. And how did you feel after losing the game?
जाऊं सेफ
बिकॉज अब धूप थी और अब छाव है एंड आई फील कि शायद बारिश होने वाला है. So I am leaving for Mahabaleshwar right now and guess what? कोई लिफ्ट ही नहीं चल रही है. So this is not working. This is under construction and this lift is also not working. To reach Mahabaleshwar from Mumbai, I tried to take the route which was from Atal Setu. This was the second time that I visited Atal Setu, and my oh my, I can never get enough of it. The drive over there is just so relaxing, and from there it actually just takes us about 10 to 15 minutes to actually reach to the expressway. Can you believe that? So if you are traveling from Mumbai, this is one place that or one way that I would really recommend you to take a drive and just enjoy it. A stop at food court is a mandate when you are taking the expressway, and usually I try to eat McD, but this time I tried this egg roll which has a very mixed review if I'm being honest, but a Mac coffee is always a mandate. एंड और ड्राइव करते करते हम पहुंच गए हैं महाबलेश्वर. एंड महाबलेश्वर एंटर करने से पहले वी विजिटेड दिस डी मार्ट बिकॉज वी वर प्लानिंग टू बाय ऑल द एसेंशियल्स लाइक वाटर, चाय, कॉफ़ी, बिकॉज कभी कभी होटल्स में नहीं मिलती है. एंड वी शॉप्ड फॉर अ वाइल एंड देन finally we entered the serene hill station known as Mahabaleshwar. एंड ऐसे ही आधा दिन निकल गया जस्ट टू रीच महाबलेश्वर. वी एंटर द रूम एंड रूम के सामने ही देयर वाज अ स्मॉल प्लेस जहाँ से हमने ये सैंडविच मंगाई. The next day, I started off with a small workout and the gym was really small and cute. And क्योंकि सब सो रहे थे मेरे पास टाइम था तो मैंने थोड़ा काम भी कर लिया. ओके अब बज रहे हैं कुछ अराउंड 3 o'clock एंड वी आर स्टिल गेटिंग रेडी. एक्चुअली माई मॉम इज स्टिल गेटिंग रेडी. अंगद रेडी हो चुका है, मैं रेडी हो चुकी हूँ एंड वी आर गोइंग टू अ नियर बाई प्लेस विच इज़ नोन एज हिरकरनी एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस रेस्टोरेंट एंड दे सर्व सम एक्सेप्शनल फूड एंड एट अ वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली प्राइस. यहाँ पे why does he always interrupt me something that I don't know. यहाँ पे जो क्लाइमेट है इट्स वेरी प्लेजेंट. धूप है बट इट्स नॉट वेरी हार्श. एंड लेट मी टेक यू अलॉन्ग टू एक्सप्लोरिंग the second day of Mahabaleshwar. Hirkani was right outside our hotel and ये जगह हमेशा full रहती है. Now the place has become very expensive. Earlier it was really very budget friendly. Now we have entered Parsi Point. Come on, let me take you along. पारसी पॉइंट इज़ अ वेरी फेमस व्यू पॉइंट ऑफ महाबलेश्वर एंड यहाँ का व्यू देखते ही मेरा मुंबई का काम का सारा स्ट्रेस मानो जैसे निकल गया हो. आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल टू बी एबल टू विजिट सच प्लेसेस एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट आई वॉन्ट एवरी वन ऑफ यू टू एक्सपीरियंस. After visiting Parsi Point, we ended up the day by playing certain games which were available at the stay. And yes, I enjoyed it to the brim because I won the match. So I have this person playing against me because my mother lost. Hi guys, so today is day 3 for us to explore Mahabaleshwar. अभी शाम हो चुकी है. We actually slept quite late. And now we are exploring the sites in and around. The weather again is very pleasant. I'm so happy that I visited Mahabaleshwar because Mumbai की गर्मियों से मुझे तो break चाहिए था. So we have reached Mahabaleshwar main market and now we are just gonna explore every bit of it. So let's go. महाबलेश्वर के मार्केट में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी. आई हैपन टू विजिट दिस पलोट स्टोर. इट वॉज अ वेरी क्यूट स्टोर. यहाँ पे आपको शॉल्स, जूते एंड बॉबल हेड्स बहुत मिलेंगे.
So we are at Elsie's Dairy and Bakery, and it was established back in 1849, and it is famous for its cakes, pastries, donuts, and a lot of more things. Let's go. So we are grateful to meet Devin. Hi, Devin.
Hi, ma'am.
So you could just help us out to understand since when was this bakery established?
Ma'am, the bakery was established in 1849. At that time, the Britishers, ma'am, had just discovered Mahabaleshwar. So they wanted Mahabaleshwar to be very planned. They wanted a church, a club, a bakery. So that's how my grandfather's grandparents had come from Goa, ma'am, to Mahabaleshwar.
Oh, lovely. So if we were to try out the best of best, what would you suggest?
Ma'am, carrot and date cake, ma'am, and banana raisin are our customers, like, best selling cake.
Lovely.
And we have muffins also, ma'am. We have pies, we have slice cakes, we have puffs.
So I'm going to try the apple pie. Let me tell you one thing, that the smell of this apple pie is so strong and it is just so delicious looking that I just cannot wait to take the first bite. The apple pie is baked so well that the moment you take the first bite, the flavor hits you so hard and you cannot just stop yourself from taking another bite. So if you're coming here, you have to try everything, but especially this apple pie. सो हम महाबलेश्वर मार्केट के स्टार्ट में बोलो या एंड में बोलो आ चुके हैं एंड आई स्पॉटेड दिस स्ट्रीट कॉफ़ी कॉर्नर एंड आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड आइस्ड अमेरिकानो. हालांकि फॉग है, ठंड है, बट आई एम अ ट्रू आइस्ड अमेरिकानो फैन एंड आई हैड टू ऑर्डर इट. सो cheers. Lovely. You have to try this and guess what? It is only for 89 rupees. What more could you ask for?
मेरा माइक बंद हो चुका था एंड हेंस यू जस्ट सी मी blabbering and not hear my voice, so I had to do a voiceover. We were at Cheese Factory, and Cheese Factory as an outlet has a lot of different things within the outlet. So it has this USMM का organics जहाँ पे आपको मिलता है oil and perfumes. Then it had a chocolate factory, then it had a cheese factory. Like if you come to this place, it will take you 3 to 4 hours to explore, and everything over here is really very fresh. So we purchased these honey, and my mom went all in to buy the products, and she had a proper explanation for buying the products also. Just hear her out.
I'm taking jamun seed powder, which is very good for health. It will reverse our diabetes and control the weight loss and make our skin healthy. You also should take jamun seed powder. Right next to the Parsi Point is a very famous restaurant known as the Rainforest. It is known for its cuisine and its impeccable view. So come on, let's check it out.
क्योंकि रात थी और इतनी बारिश थी तो व्यू इतना क्लियर तो दिख नहीं पा रहा था, एंड द कैमरा ऑल्सो कैन नॉट डू द जस्टिस जो नाइट का व्यू है. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट यू विल हैव टू विजिट.
So we have ordered chicken malai tikka over here, and by the looks of it, it looks very tender and juicy. And now I'm going to take the first bite. So the second dish that I ordered over here was a fish tikka. Both these starters are really very tender and juicy, and they just melt in your mouth. In addition to that, the masalas are blended out really very well, and it's really very flavorful. Something that I will definitely recommend you guys to try it out.
And this was the last stop for the day.
So today is the last day that we are exploring महाबलेश्वर. आज का आइटिनरी कुछ ऐसा है कि क्योंकि हम जल्दी निकल गए हैं, we are going to Tapola Lake because my mother says that it's a very nice place to explore, and we are going to explore that, and let's see कि हाउ दिस डे गोज फॉरवर्ड, बिकॉज अब धूप थी और अब छाव है, एंड आई फील कि शायद बारिश होने वाला है. सो फिंगर्स क्रॉस, आई ट्राई टू एक्सप्लोर एज मेनी प्लेसेस दैट आई कैन टुडे.
Tapola Lake was around 1.5 hours away from where we were staying, and it took us more than 1.5 hours actually because of the road and the rains. But the drive is, oh my god. So we have arrived at Tapola Lake. This is known as the mini Kashmir, but I am going to show you what it really looks like during monsoon. Tapola Lake is also known as the mini Kashmir of Mahabaleshwar, but the best time to visit this lake is actually after July or at the start of August because तभी क्या है बारिश के मौसम के साथ साथ पानी लेक का भर जाता है and you can do a lot of activities, but we visited at the wrong time, so this was like a nana for me. After Tapola Lake, I was pretty exhausted, so we went to Mahabaleshwar Market.
We are at Cafe Peter and this is a very hotspot area because आपको यहाँ पे बहुत सारी public मिलेगी and the food is at par. Here we have ordered khause, Thai curry and mac and cheese and I just can't wait to try now.
So my khause is here and I'm going to take the first bite. Unlike the traditional khause, they've already mixed everything. They've already placed everything on top. I'm just going to take a bite first and let you know how this dish is. All the flavors have blended out really well in this khause. It's actually very flavorful. Even after you take a bite, there is an aftertaste. It kind of hits you in the throat, but it's something that you must definitely try. The second dish that I'm going to try is a Thai curry. It is green in color, and personally, I love green Thai curry a lot. It's so creamy. Just हल्का सा नमक ज़्यादा है, but overall, I love it.
The marketplace was so crowded. जो मेरा stay है वो actually सिर्फ 10 मिनट दूर था, but it took us 45 minutes because it was that bad.
Right now we are at Cheese Factory and here we have ordered strawberry with cream. Apparently मैंने सुना है कि यहाँ की strawberry with cream is really very rich and delicious. So here we are. I'm just waiting for my strawberry with cream and I'll tell you कि ये कैसा है. I have my strawberry with cream over here. Well, this looks really very rich and I'm just gonna take the first bite right now. The cream is so light yet so fresh and the strawberries are really fresh. The strawberry ice cream is just very delicious. This is something that you must try over here.
So these were some of the places that I covered in Mahabaleshwar this time. Let me know in the comment section down below कि आपकी favorite जगह कौन सी थी. And hey, do not forget to share this video with your friend who is planning to visit Mahabaleshwar and also subscribe to my channel and I will see you next time soon. Bye.